Ever wonder how to get a cinematic drone shot? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you 5 easy cinematic drone moves that everyone can do. I'll be using a Mavic Mini, but it's the same for a Mavic 2, Mini 2, or really any other drone that you know of. Now all of these shots are reversible, so you're essentially getting 10 moves just by learning 5 of them. And they're really easy to pull off. So let's get right into it. The Parallax. This is definitely my personal favorite, as it shows the depth of the scene and it highlights the subject while showing the background from a rotating angle. All you need to do is pushing the 2 joysticks to opposite direction. So if the left joystick is to the right, then the right joystick is to the left, and vice versa. That way the drone follows a circular path around your subject. The Flyover. This one is really simple. The drone literally just flies over the scene in a straight path with the camera pointing around 45 degrees down. All you need to do is to point the camera at the right angle and have the right joystick pushing up. The top-down spiral. This one is good for revealing a scene that has a unique shape or look that can only be seen from the top. Like a maze, a school garden, or a helipad. To pull this move off, all you need to do is to push the left joystick up and then slightly to the left or right. Be careful not to have the drone spin too fast, or else it's gonna look dizzy and lose the cinematic feel. The jib. I see the jib shot sort of like a vertical parallax shot. It's good for showing a scene with objects of different heights. It looks very epic with a wide view. This one requires a little bit more skill. You'll need to push the left joystick up so the drone keeps climbing up, then very slowly turn the left dial to tilt the camera down. Now be careful that the dial is usually very sensitive, even when you turn the sensitivity in the menu all the way down. The pushback. The pushback looks very cool when it's done right. It's definitely one of the most fun ones, and you can use it when you're at a summit of a mountain with a group of friends. All you need to do is push the left joystick up and the right joystick down so the drone flies up and away from you. So those are the 5 easy cinematic drone shots that you can do with your drone today. Also, you can mix and match different moves to keep things more interesting, like a flyover jib, flyover parallax, pushback parallax, parallax jib, flyover jib parallax. You see what I mean? Your options are endless. Practice with the basics first, and soon you can let your imagination fly. Pun intended. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.